जमी, सबसे पहले आपको बधाई इतनी बड़ी पारी खेलने के लिए। 338 रन जब टारगेट मिला तो टीम का क्या थॉट था, और जब आप बैटिंग करने के लिए आए तो आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था कि इतनी लंबी पारी, इतना लंबा स्कोर चेज करना है, तो आपके दिमाग में क्या प्रोसेस चल रहा था, उसके बारे में ज़रा बताइए।
या आई थिंक जब ये स्कोर आया, द टीम का थॉट वाज दैट अगेंस्ट न्यूजीलैंड इन 49 ओवर्स वी हैड स्कोर्ड 3-4-1 अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड वाइजैक where we had scored 333. So we knew that we've done it against this team, and I felt with the way Australia started, we were 30 runs short with the way they were going, with the start they got. So I knew they were 30 runs short, and DY Patil is such a pitch, any score is chaseable. So I just knew that and मेरा thought process क्या था कि I just had to be there क्योंकि runs आते हैं, but I need to be there to get those runs.
It was a world record chase in the league stage that Australia did against India, and today it was. You think it was a fitting reply to Australia that you had a world record chase in women's ODIs? And were you praying, or were you tired that you were in between overs, in between deliveries, you were kneeling down and looking down? Were you praying, or what was?
Yeah, I was praying. I was talking to myself because actually I had lost a lot of energy. I was feeling very tired, and because of the tiredness, I was playing a few shots that it was a very tricky phase at that time. Should I go right now? Should I take it deep? So I think that was one learning for me also, like to just stay there. Towards the end we always take it deep. But yeah, I was praying. I was talking to God because I feel that I have a personal relationship with Him, and when I cannot carry myself, He always carries me. I honestly feel whichever team would have come in the semi-finals, it would have been the same reply from our team, because we don't want to play the team. We want to play the moment and win that moment. We want to play the match and win the match, and whichever team would come, I think our reply would be the same. We would play with the same passion, same aggression. We would play to win this match for India.
So first of all, it was very, very tough out there, like the conditions. I think the humidity was really high. And during a chase, we've seen India, lose a lot of wickets towards the end and not keep up with the pressure, like against England we saw. And so can you just talk about how you just kept your nerves, and what was the communication like in the middle, and especially to play through that heat? And I think against Australia specifically, can you just
I think the first thing I'd answer is that I have been a part of chases. I think against Australia, almost 3 chases where we were going well, we got it to run a ball and we lost from there. And I think those moments taught me a lot, and I just wanted to be there to finish it off. Even the previous day we had a group discussion. We were just saying what all we could do better in this World Cup, and all I said was that I want to be there till the end and finish the game. Whether we're batting first, I know if I'm there, I can make a partnership and get those 20-30 runs extra because I run well, pick gaps, unusual gaps. And the second thing was, if we're chasing, then I want to make sure I want to take the team through. And this just feels like a dream, actually. It just felt like everything was such a setup, because the last month wasn't the easiest, but it just felt like a setup for this moment. So yeah.